welcome to the online viewing for 25 Woodville Road. Just moving into the property where we have the hallway here with stairs leading up to the first floor, and then just looking back at the door going through to the vestibule. Then we have the first reception room here, which has a good sized bay window facing towards the front of the property. Nice wooden flooring and feature fire surround. And then through to the second reception room. Lovely high ceilings, and we also have a door going out into the garden. And through to the kitchen. Really lovely space here with double doors out into the garden. There's also an integrated cooker, hob and dishwasher. Okay, then moving on to the first floor landing, we have a useful built-in storage cupboard and the main bedroom straight ahead. We have these lovely featured sash windows and feature fireplace. And moving through to the second bedroom. And again, lovely feature fire surround and sash window facing towards the rear garden. And then through to the shower room, fitted with a nice modern suite. And then we have the third bedroom at the back of the property. Also got the boiler located in this room here. And moving outside into the garden, where we have a patio leading down to the main garden area. Gated access just in the corner, leading to the shared rear passageway. And then just looking back at the property, that concludes the online viewing. If you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please call the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.